Happy 4th of July, America! Today I will be showing you how to make a special 4th of July scrapbook page. The first step I did was pick my design paper. I chose this red paper with white stars. I measured 2 inches by 12 and marked where I was going to cut. I took my scissors, and cut one 12-inch line. On the opposite side, I tore a little piece, then pulled it towards me to create the ribbed look I wanted. Step 2. I took my red paper and only put glue on the bottom straight side and placed it along the bottom of a white 12 by 12 paper. The reason why I only put glue on the bottom is so that I can glue in the blue paper behind the red. Just gonna tuck the blue paper in there and pat it down. Step 3 is pick your pictures. Your pictures will determine how big your 3 blue squares will be. I already made my title in advance, so you can do this part however you like. It can be for any occasion that occurred during the celebration. Step 4 is use an American sticker. The stickers I'm using is Miss Elizabeth's 3-pack handmade stickers for 4th of July. Unfortunately, they have discontinued making these, so I will not be able to put a link in the description below. Step 5 is make your flag. I took the template already designed on my Cricut, but you can use any flag design you want, then place it next to your title in the right corner. Step 6 is choose your firework and place it in the left corner. Big or small? Maybe the big one. No, maybe the small one. Let's do the big one. As an extra bonus, I took the extra stars from my flag and put them at the bottom of the firework. I'm sorry I don't have the video to show me gluing the stars. Ta-da! Here's the scrapbook 4th of July page we made today. I just love how it looks, and it really was simple to make. I wanted to make something that is not only for a baby scrapbook and that is easy to put together. I finished this page in 16 minutes and it looks professionally done. If I can do it, you can do it too. Please subscribe and like this video. Put in the comments down below what I should make next. In a couple of days, I'll have page number 2 posted that correlates with this page as well. Thanks for watching. Bye!